रेशियो मिल्क एंड वाटर इनका 7:4 and 8:4, अरे ऐड कर दो, दे मिक्स इन द, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है, सेम लिख दो। इसका सम कितना है, 7 and 4 का सम 11, और 8 और 3 का सम कितना है 11, तो ऐड करो 15:7, बस आंसर। Sometimes this question asks like this: 4 containers are full of mixture of milk and water. The concentration, देखो concentration is given in place of the ratio. Concentration of milk is given. No problem. Concentration means concentration is given in two form: percentage or ratio form. So it is given that in the first container milk is 35%. So what about the water? 100 minus 35. उसमें क्या है? Water will be 65%. Right? In the second container 60% is the milk. Then what is the water? 40% water. 75% is the milk. What is the water? 25% water. 80% of milk. Then what is the water? 20% is the water. बस add करो, सबको add करो. Don't cancel because they are mixed in the same quantity. They are mixed in the same quantity. So what is the sum of ratio? 100, 100, 100, 100. Don't cancel. Cancel मत करना. Now add them, and you will get the direct answer. आप समझे क्या? समझ रहे हो ना? ठीक है, very good बच्चा, nice. You can take the average of all, but you will get the percentage. फिर उसको वापस से आपको रेशियो में कन्वर्ट करना है. Definitely you can, because the quantity are the same. Definitely you can take the average. Then you will get the answer in percentage form. फिर उसको 100 में से माइनस करके आपको यहाँ पे वाटर लिखना है. Definitely you can solve this question. ठीक है, और you can add directly. देखो you can add directly. कितना हो गया? 0, 250 ratio 150, 5:3 direct. I think it is easy. In a mixture of 30 liter contain milk and water in ratio 7:3. How much water should be added? देखो वही same question. So ratio will become 3:7. So same thing here, water equal the milk, multiply it by 3, multiply it by 7. Now 21 and 9 will become 21 and 49. Ariva, very simple. It is the second method, short tricks. So how much water? 40 ratio. You want to find out the 40 ratio, and what is given? 20 plus 9. Ariva, 30 ratio is given as a 30 liter. Oh my god. So in this question, 1 ratio is equivalent to 1 liter. So what about the 40 ratio? 40 liter. Same question है. Mixture of 30 liter container milk and water in the ratio 7:3. How much water? देखो water मिला रहा है. Water should be added. If you mix the water, milk remains same. So it is a equivalent method. क्या कर रहे हो? Try to equal the milk ratio. 7:3 means उल्टा फुल्टा. Multiply this by 3, multiply this by 7. So it is a rule. If you will multiply all ratio by any non-zero number, ratio will not change. 3 7 ja 21, 3 3 ja 9. So can I say that and multiply this by 7? This become this when you mix the water. So milk remains same, rice. Equivalent method. Both ratio will become similar. And water क्या हो रहा है? 9 to 49. 40 ratio increase in the ratio. In the ratio 40 increase. So you have to find out the actual value of 40 ratio. And what is given? Initial 30 liters given. So 21 plus 9 कितना हो गया? 30 ratio equivalent to 30 liter. So 1 ratio equivalent to 1 liter. So 40 ratio equivalent to 40 liter. In 80, अच्छा, it is a simple question. In 80 liter mixture of milk and water, the ratio of in 80 liter mixture of milk and water, the ratio of milk and water is 7:3. In order to make this ratio 2:1, Areva, how much liter of water should be? Achha, it is a different question. How much liter of, achha, same question. Water should be added. Batao. If you want to solve this question by shortcut method, equivalent method, so you are mixing the water, then milk remains same. Areva. So what I am doing, I am multiplying this by 2 and this by 7. So ratio of milk. So 2 7 ja 14 and 2 3 ja 6 will become 14 and 7. Now it's good. So you have to find out the value of one ratio. It is your objective. And what is given? 14 plus 6. 20 ratio is given in this question is the 80 liter. देखते हैं who will get the first answer this class. 1 ratio equivalent to 4 liter. And what are the 1 ratio? अरे 1 ratio तो पूछा था. 4 liter is the answer. Who got the answer? D. The milk and water in the mixture are in the ratio itna when 15 liter water is. अच्छा देखो. The milk and water in the mixture are in the देखो milk and water in the mixture are the 7:5. when 15 liter. अच्छा, now it is given that you are mixing the 15. देखो, it is the actual. It is the actual is given. It is the ratio. Ratio is not actual. 15 liter water is added to in the ratio of milk and water become 7:8. The total quantity of water in the new mixture is. Total quantity of water in the new mixture. अच्छा, now tell me first. If you want to solve this question by equivalent method, you are mixing the water, then milk remains same. Are the milk already same? So it is a question of hardly 15 seconds because milk is already same. So there is no need to solve the question by any pen. Oral you can solve. You can see that 15 say 8 kitna 3 ratio and it is equivalent to 15 liter. Are water आपने 15 liter, if you mix the 15 liter water, the ratio of water become 5:8. Means how much more? 3 ratio is increase in the ratio of water and it is equivalent to 15 liter in this question. So what about the 1 ratio? It is 5 liter. And what do you want? You want to find out the total quantity of water in the new mixture. Means you are bothered about 8 ratio. So 8 into 5, 40 liter. They can ask anything. They can ask what is the total quantity at last. So you can find out 15 ratio. What is the initial quantity? You can find out the 12 ratio. What is the initial water? You can find out the 5 ratio like this. They can ask any question. If you have 1 ratio equivalent method, so there is no problem. Okay? What quantity of water should be taken out to concentrate 24 liter or 25% acidic liquid to 40% acidic liquid? बताओ. Taken out मतलब आपको boil करके water निकालना है. In 24 liter acidic means, can you say that in this here is a 25% acid and you want to remove the water from this mixture, so it will become 40% acidic. How much water you have to remove? Again, I am going to solve this question by two methods. First, basic method. If I assume the x liter, I am going to remove the x liter water from this container. So 24 will become 24 minus x. So I am writing here basic method and then short tricks. Acha, keyword is the same. If you are removing the water, acid will not change. So quantity of acid remains same. So in 24 liter, how much acid? 25%. It is given. In 24 minus x, how much acid? 40% acid. Bas. So I'm going to solve this question by basic method first. 8 3 times 5 say 15 5. So x equal to 24 minus 15 if I'm not wrong. Answer is 9 liter. But you can solve this question by very good VST Vikas tips. 25% is acid. So can you say 25% is the acid? Then what about the water? Water will be 75 and it become 40 acid and 60 water. You can simplify it and you can write the 1:3 become 2:3. Then you are removing the water. So acid remains same. So multiply this by 2. So you can see that 2:6 become 2:3. So 6 become 3 means 3 ratio water will you should remove. And what is given? 8 ratio is given as a 24 liter. But अब तो आ ही गया ना आपको. So 1 ratio equivalent to 3 liter. And what about the 3 ratio? 3 ratio equivalent to 9 liter. बस कितना simple question 9 liter.